My name is Keith Zazowski, and I'm the owner of Insane Apparel.
The theme of Come Hell or High Water comes from the fact that the very first family business, started by Keith's grandfather, was destroyed in a terrible fire over a decade ago. This past August, lightning struck twice, and Insane Apparel was destroyed by a devastating flash flood. My name is Rob Lawler, and I work in the art department here at Insane Apparel.
For 13 years, I've been having a routine to keep my business going. The night before the rainstorm, we ran 2,500 very expensive V-neck t-shirts. Come in the next morning at 6 a.m. The shop is filled with 90,000 gallons of water. Everything's underwater. The street's 4 foot high. 12 years of my life is just washed away.
The thing that you see behind me is what we have left, and it's a minute fraction of what we had before the devastating flood.
Red shirts everywhere, buckets of ink on top of machines. Diablo was underwater. Watched the business burn to the ground, and that was a lot easier than this. $25,000 worth of red t-shirts gone.
The flood has completely devastated our bread and butter, which is screen printing.
Screen printing is my passion, my livelihood. This is what I do. This is what I'm gonna die doing. This is what I love. It's all taken away from me.
Post-flood, we basically had to go back to the dinosaur age and use techniques and equipment that we were using almost 15 years ago. While researching this campaign, we learned that Kickstarter was a community that works together, people donating to each other's projects. Insane Apparel has a Kickstarter goal of $50,000. Insane Apparel plans on using the money from this campaign to go back to the future, bring us to a point where we're using sophisticated technology to allow better printing, better process, and overall a better experience for the customer.
More importantly, we're going to keep our employees working and hire new ones right here in the local community.
Kickstarter allows us to expand our market and help others in need. The biggest challenge of this whole campaign is, can we get screen printing back to where it was before this freak flash flood? The money raised from the Kickstarter campaign is going to keep the employees busy and us producing goods.
Insane Apparel would like to thank you for your support and donation. Look forward to seeing your name on the darkroom wall.
Well, allow me to show up to your house and dance the robot. I'll even do the broken arm swing. I got it.